In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wisetag. If you need to locate your Wisetag in Wise, the good news is that it's a very quick process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find it without any confusion. To begin, go to the Wise homepage. Make sure you're signed into the correct Wise account before continuing, since your Wisetag will be connected to your personal account profile. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main dashboard is fully visible so all menu options appear properly. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the C area of the page and find the profile icon. This is where Wise keeps your account-related options and personal settings. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. If you have both personal and business profiles, take an extra second here to make sure you're looking at the personal account section because the Wisetag you want is shown there. After the menu opens, look below your personal account and find the Wisetag option. It should appear underneath that personal account area. Click on the Wisetag and that will take you to the place where you can view it. That's all it takes. The main thing is knowing that your Wisetag is accessed through the profile menu, not from the main dashboard itself. So if you ever need to find it again, just return to the Wise homepage, open the profile icon at the top, and select the Wisetag shown under your personal account. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the option, double check that you're in the right account view and that the menu has fully expanded. Sometimes a small layout change or a slow page load can make options seem hidden at first. Refreshing the page or reopening the profile menu can help, and that's how to find your Wisetag in Wise. Once you know the path, it only takes a few seconds and is easy to repeat anytime you need it.